Hi guys, this is a video as requested about the sliding swimming pool cover and how it was created. Right, here we go. As you can see, there is the swimming pool cover and it slides to the right hand side. All this was built with standard equipment you can get from Amazon, eBay or whatever providers are online. This is an automated cover. It's approximately 3.5 meters by 6 meters long. The issue we had with this was because of the size of the garden, as you can see, we had to slide from left to right, which means it was the worst case scenario because the way the garden's configured, we could not go front to back, we had to go left to right. This is how it was done. The outer construction of the lid is no more than wooden decking planks onto a unistrut frame. Underneath the unistrut frame is plastic strapping or webbing, as you find in seat belts, which suspends the insulation. Now, on the end of this, if we can get down and see, there you go. On each end, just there, on each end of the lid is 3 wheels. These wheels are generic wheels that are used for gates. There's the wheel there, as you can see. These wheels run on this track there. So we have one track there for those wheels that run on that track. We have one wheel here, only one wheel, which runs on this track here. And then at this end we have another 3 wheels which runs on these tracks here. So the whole system is run on tracks. There's one set, second set and third set with 3 wheels, 1, 2, 3, one wheel there and 1, 2, 3 wheels there, enabling the whole lid to move over to the left. This is powered via this. This is a half-ton, I think it was half-ton gate motor. It pulls the entire lid over on this mechanism. Now, if you can see there, this rail, toothed rail, goes on the side of the tub. Now, this is meant for gates. This here is an access hatch to the lower pit. Obviously we have an alarm system, which is pumps working, medium height, pumps high level with a light. Because if you're going to have a pit, you've got to have pumps. There's an override on this where you can actually manually override it like that. On this side, as you can see when I push this away, you've got a wooden stop with insulation on. This is the large wooden beam here. This is only a very quick overview. I'm going to do a more detailed one later. As you can see, it moves very, very smoothly. It's very easy to move and strong enough to be on top. And again, there's the other rail. This is just a large 6-meter beam that's been treated. Underneath here is the decking planks. And there's a little peak of insulation. Underneath that insulation are some wooden strutting, then another layer of waterproofing insulation, and then another layer of waterproofing insulation. Now, if I can put the phone down and try and show you guys underneath. Right, there's the underneath. This is not a very good shot, but you can see the strapping. This is seatbelt strapping that holds up all of the insulation so it doesn't touch the pool when it slides over. I realise this is not a very detailed video, but it does slide very, very easily. You must remember, if you are going to attempt to build one of these, you must put an escape hatch in for worst case scenarios, in case the lid was to close when you was in the pool. So you must be able to escape the unit in the event of a disaster. We've got artificial grass on top. Down here, 2 hands, I'm going to say. Apologies about that. Down here we have the pit. This enables us to maintain a system. Let's go down the pit. Okay, down here in the pit. So here is the wheels. As you can see, there's a wheel there, there's a wheel there, there's another wheel there on the gate track. Down here, light switch, and here is the pit. This is the back end of the pool because we're doing service and maintenance to make sure it's all okay. There's my pumps. That little baby is a fireball, just in case. I've got a heat pump down here, 15 kilowatt heat pump, with 3 layers of alarm systems, which means if the pumps fail, they go into an alarm. Here's another pit with the pumps. As he tries to pull it up, as you can see, there's 2 pumps in there. We're actually doing maintenance at the moment, making sure all is well. So, if you're going to build one of these, you must have pumps. You need electric down here. This has all been insulated by myself to make sure we retain the heat. This is going to be going back on. There's the cover to go on here, so this will be completely covered. I'm going to do a more in-depth video about the pooling, how actually to construct one. It's very simple. It's only unistrut and rails and a gate motor. Most people can do the unit from end to end, which is a lot easier. There's the light that flashes when the lid's open to warn people it's opening. There are a few safety systems on this system to make sure we don't have any issues. If there was anything to be in the way of this as we're opening, that will sense it and then return the lid to the closed position. Main isolator's there, RCD breakers there, outside external Wi-Fi there, so we have Wi-Fi control over here, and the flood alarm's also on Wi-Fi as well. You need a level garden, guys, some patience, and you can actually build this yourself. It is all completely buildable. We built it. I'm going to put some stills up on here so you can actually see what we did. But it is not as difficult as it looks. Well, I hope this has been helpful to anyone who's interested in this. I'm sorry for the poor quality and unscripted video. But I've just very quickly put this together. I'm doing maintenance at the moment. I'm going to be doing a few more videos about maintenance and how to create these gadgets, like this gadget here. This is a text message flood alarm. When this detects high water, it then sends out a GMS text to my phone to warn me of high water. So we're going to be doing a few little projects like that. Well, have a good weekend, guys, and any questions, post them below.